Jared Wright, taro bel ymlaen, Pined Amon! A mor hawdd â hynna, mae'r ymwelwyr wedi mynd ar y blaen. 20 munud wedi mynd ar y maes awyr, pêl hir, obeithiol ymlaen gan Jared Wright. A Ben Amon yn cael ei ben at y bêl. Amon, efo'r cyffyrddiad ymlaen. A Twomley. Twomley yn mynd I hun. A'i groesiodd ysag at Amon, a mae'n ddwy. Dwy gol mewn munud I Ben Amon. Mi wthio Twomley ymlaen I hun, a'i groesiodd o lawr y coridor ansicrwydd yn canfod Ben Amon. A mae gan dîm Jamie Reid fynydd I dringo rwan. Danny Williams, taro'r bêl ymlaen yn un o gyrchol. Dutton wedi dod allan o'i gwrs Cosby, rhoi bêl I ffwr. A Joe Evans gododd y bêl yn ôl dros y golwr. Twomley'n croesi. Y cona. Penio'r bêl allan. Mor bell. A Curtis Rees. Curtis Rees yn gallu. Taro nôl fanna. Y penderfynu peidio troma. Croesiad at y postyn agosa! A Ben Amon yn cyrraedd yna cyn Lewis Dutton. Ail hat-trick y flwyddyn I Ben Amon. A'i gynta yn lliwia Pontypridd. Phillips unwaith eto. Taro bêl ar draws y cae. Ond yn rhoi'r bêl yn syth I Lewis Twomley. Twomley ymlaen at Amon. Ben Amon! Yn methu curo Dutton tro yma. Hunt yn troi. Taro'r bêl yn ei flaen. Ac yn llwyddo I gyrraedd yno. Cyn Jake Phillips. Croesiodd ar draws. A'r bêl yn ôl. At Kieran Lewis. Ac o ochr y cwrs Cosby. Lewis yn canfod yr hwyd. Gol gynta'r tymor iddo fo. Bêl yn disgyn I creu Curran. Piers yna hefo fo. Curran yn mynd I mewn at Ryan Edwards. Ac Ergyd Edwards yn cymryd gwiriad. Ac oedd rhaid I Ash Morris fod yn effro. Jared Wright yn dwyn y bêl. Yn canfod Twomley! A Dutton yn gwneud yr arbediad. Yn rhwysto'r 5 gol.
This group are growing, and you can see, and we worked really hard today as well, and it's just really nice to see us be clinical. You know, it's, we've lacked goals, and to get forward, I'm delighted.
Ben, hat-trick in the first half this afternoon. Very satisfying day at the office for yourself.
Yeah, obviously excellent. I haven't scored in a few games, so positive, and obviously a big game, big result for the team.
It's been a very tough 10 days, but at the end of the day, I knew this was the type of job it was, and at the end of the day, I can't do anything about what's happened before. We've just got to make the most of what we've got, try and build with what we've got, and as I said to the boys in there, today's result doesn't really change much for the fact that we're still the same distance away from safety. They're the place above us, so safety is another place again. It doesn't really change much. So it's about trying to, if we can in the next few weeks, keep on the coattails and just try and stay in with the shout come January.
I think we've had some good performances against some really good teams, but obviously, like Gaffer said in a few of his interviews, outcomes is what we need now, especially like I say with ABBA winning yesterday was a massive game. These are going to be in around the same position as us, so yeah, massive win.
From my experience within the league as a player, I've seen teams go from the bottom of the league to 7th. I think the highest team, or the team with the highest points to stay up, was it Carmarthen 2017, 26 points, 27 points, something like that. So come the split, there's 30 points to play for against teams in and around you. If we can build with what we've got, add to it, there's no reason why we can't go on a run at some point. But we just need to stay within touching distance.